Hey everyone, build a tin can microphone with me. I got this kit off of Amazon. It's from Giddy Kits. I have the link in the description, and it looks pretty easy to put together. A fun little project for pretty much anyone. First, what you'll need is a hand drill with a small Phillips head drill bit, or a small Phillips head screwdriver would work as well. You'll need a 3/8 inch drill bit and a 16th inch drill bit. What you're also going to need is a hot glue gun with the glue stick, or super glue can work as well. The kit itself, it's a tin can. It comes with the 2 spongy tuning balls, the audio jack, which is basically a guitar jack, and a Posca pickup. It's all wired together for you. And then this cool sticker to make it look like a legit microphone. And then, of course, the screws to hold it all together. So what we're going to want to do first is we're going to want to mark the spots where we're going to drill some anchor holes. So I'm marking them at 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, just like on a clock. Then I'm going to make sure my drill is loaded up with my 1/16 inch drill bit right here. And then we're just going to start drilling where we mark the spot. Now we're going to want to hold up that lid on tightly, and we want to drill all the way through. So when it comes time to put everything together, there'll be no issues lining up the holes with the screws. And then we're going to take our 3/8 inch drill bit, and we're going to mark the spot where that goes, probably right between the top and the bottom of the can, in the middle somewhere. And we're going to want to drill that all the way through as well. So you want to put a little bit of pressure on the drill just to make sure it's getting in there. But at the end here, you'll open it up and you want to clean up any bits that are sticking out. Then we're going to take our audio jack here with the Posca pickup, and we're going to push it right through the hole. And we'll take the washer and the bolt that came with it, and we're just going to tighten that up. You could use a wrench for this part, but I found that, it worked just fine just using my hand, so I didn't have to get a wrench out or anything. But now we're going to want to take that Posca pickup, put it towards the top of the lid a bit, because what's going to happen is these are going to touch the spongy balls, and we got to put it in the right place so we can make our adjustments. And then we're going to want to glue that just to where we found the best placement. So there's that. Looking good. So now we're going to take our tuning balls, and we're going to put one on one side and one on the other side, and we want to put it kind of like in the middle where the Posca pickup is going to touch them, but not touch them completely, towards the top there. So we're just going to try this out. We're going to put this on, and at this point, we can actually plug in our audio cable, and we can test it out. Yeah, so I really liked how that sounded, so I'm just going to leave it here and not make any adjustments. And I'm just going to put my sticker on here to make it look legit. I love it. Looks super cool. And then I'm going to screw in the anchor screws and just put it all together. So you can either use a screwdriver for this part. I found it easier just to use the drill. And then I can never leave something just plain metal. So I decided to decorate. I thought it would be cool to have like a cartoon mouth on the other side of the microphone to kind of get the vibe that, your human face, and then all of a sudden you turn into some kind of avatar. So that's kind of what I was going for. I'm using Posca paint pens for this. I'll also have a link in the description for these. I use these for just about everything that I do. They're just super easy to manage. They have great colors. They have great layering and great shading. Especially their black paint pens. They're just super flowy and fluid, and they're great for outlining basically anything. And I can use them in my multimedia sketchbooks without them bleeding through for the most part. But anyway, I really like them. Highly, highly recommend. So we're just going to finish up this side of the microphone. Then on the sides, I decided to do something a little bit different. I really love the look of stickers all layered on top of each other. So I have a box full of stickers collected from over the years and some of my own stickers. So I decided just to select a bunch of them and do this layering all over the side of the microphone. So there we have it. We have the final product. I love how it turned out. So now I can plug it in and I have myself another piece of gear, and I built it myself. All right. This is my DIY microphone. Looks really cool, all decorated, all ready for a performance. This song that I wrote, it has no music to it yet, but it's called ADHD. Freaking out, cannot calm down. Freaking out, they want me to settle down.